If you are experiencing a blank taskbar or missing icons on your Windows 11 machine, there are a few effective troubleshooting steps you can take. Sometimes, this issue can occur after installing updates or upon restarting your computer. The first and most crucial fix involves restarting the Windows Explorer process. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. If you see a simplified Task Manager view, click on More Details. Once you are in the detailed view, navigate to the Details tab. Look for Windows Explorer or Explorer.exe in the alphabetical list. Right-click on it and select End Task. Then confirm by clicking End Process. After ending the task, restart your computer. This can be a hard reboot or a regular restart. If a hard reboot is not immediately possible, you can try pressing the Windows key on your keyboard repeatedly. This should often prompt the taskbar in Explorer to reload. If the taskbar still does not appear, click on File in the Task Manager, then select Run New Task. Type Explorer.exe and click OK. This should restore your taskbar. If the first method does not resolve the problem, the next step is to use the command prompt. Open Task Manager again by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. If you are in the simplified view, click on More Details. In the detailed view, click on File in the menu bar and select Run New Task. Type CMD and click OK to open the command prompt. Now you will need to run a specific command. I will provide this command in the video description for you to copy and paste. Execute the command by pressing Enter. Your computer might shut down and restart automatically after running this command. If it does not restart, please manually restart it using the power button. Upon restarting, your Windows taskbar and icons should be restored. Should you continue to encounter issues after trying the previous steps, you can try re-registering the Start menu. Open Task Manager using Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. In the Task Manager window, click on File and then Run New Task. Type Control and press Enter to open the Control panel. Within the Control panel, search for or navigate to PowerShell. If you cannot find PowerShell directly, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type PowerShell in the search bar, and then right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes or Continue. Once PowerShell is open with administrative privileges, you will need to enter another command, which I will also include in the video description. Copy this command and paste it into PowerShell by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using Ctrl+V. Press Enter to execute the command. After the command runs successfully, restart your computer. This process should restore your Windows taskbar and all its icons. Finally, if all the above steps fail to fix the problem, it is advisable to check your system's time and date settings. Open Task Manager using Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. In the Control panel, find and click on Date and Time. Select Change Date and Time to ensure your date and time are synchronized correctly. Additionally, go to the Internet Time tab, click Change Settings, and then click Update Now. Click OK to save the changes. This synchronization can sometimes resolve unexpected system behavior. After adjusting these settings, restart your computer and verify if the taskbar issue is resolved. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.